everybody, I'm Chef Patrick, sous chef Lily, also his daughter. Today we are going to be making a strawberry shortcut cake that is citrus scented.
Citrus-scented strawberries with hand-whipped cream on a citrus-scented biscuit. Hope you enjoy. So our oven is preheating at 325 degrees. Just to review what we're gonna need today is your store-bought buttermilk biscuits. Of course, all your beautiful fresh strawberries coming into season for spring. We're gonna season those up with just a little bit of citrus, granulated sugar, and fresh mint. And we'll use heavy cream and powdered sugar for our whipped cream. That's it. This dessert's gonna feed about 8 people, or 4 if you're really hungry. So you can see I've got most of these strawberries cut up. Lily's starting to tray up our biscuits. I'm just gonna cut these to nice bite-sized pieces. And then she's gonna finish this with a fresh citrus glaze.
Okay, so for our citrus glaze, what we're gonna be doing is taking about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. And we have a pretty small bowl, it's not gonna make a whole lot.
Good.
Okay, and then all the juice from about half an orange. And then once you have all of that squeezed in, you're going to mix it up until it mostly dissolves and then paint it over the top of your biscuits. Okay, now I'm ready.
All right, so we've got the biscuits in the oven. The biscuits are in the oven. We're gonna get these strawberries finished up. We're gonna use our microplane just to get some of this fresh zest. You only want the bright yellow part only, the orange part only rather. Do the zest of full orange right onto our fresh strawberries. To that we're gonna add another probably 1/8 of a cup or 1/4 cup of sugar depending on how sweet you like it. And we'll chop up some fresh mint. Get this all chopped nice and fine. Add that to our berries. We're just gonna give these a couple quick tosses, make sure everything's nice and covered. And we're gonna let these sit on the counter for about half an hour while our biscuits are finishing up in the oven. In the meantime, we'll get our whipped cream started. Again, I prefer to whip it by hand, it gives you a little more control. Got about 1 cup of heavy cream and about 1/4 cup powdered sugar. Just gonna whip this up till it's nice and stiff. All right guys, so we've got our strawberries here. They've got that beautiful syrup formed around them. We've got our biscuits fresh out of the oven. They've cooled off just a little bit. You can see that citrus and sugar has formed a nice glaze right across the top. We're just gonna cut these open, rotating as I cut through to make sure I get an even slice. We're gonna add to that nice dollop of our whipped cream. Spread that around. It's gonna form a little cup for our beautiful strawberries. Just load these up. Another little touch of whipped cream. And we're just gonna garnish this with a quenelle of fresh whipped cream right over the top and a little sprig of mint. That's it. Enjoy.